Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Today is a white day and it is an e-learning day. So as you can see in Canvas, I'm just going to kind of walk you through your expectations for today, and then you'll have the rest of the day to continue working. So we're starting lesson 9A, which is our first lesson for unit 9. To start off our e-learning day today, we're going to do our bell work and class kick like we usually do. We're on part L, so when you put in your class kick code and type in your first and last name, you should be on part L as well. So do the 2 questions that are posted there on part L, and then once they're done, go ahead and use this answer key posted right here in Canvas to check your answers and correct them if you got them wrong. Next thing on our list to do is just kind of go over what was expected last time I saw you, which was when we took our test. You were supposed to complete your Unit 9 Web and Goals, which are in the Web and Goals section of OneNote. Unit 9 is our new unit that we're learning. We have 6 sections on that unit, and that web should look like this. So please make sure you have that web all filled out. So your 9A, and if you want to pause the video so you can write this in, you can. But here's your first 3 sections, and then there's your last 3 sections. And then I need the web and goals. So this is the web part. Your goals part is this. So circle your 1 through 4s. Read over your learning targets. Tell me if it's something you haven't learned yet, or you could do it with help, or you can do it by yourself, or you could teach someone else how to do it. And then also make a goal for this unit. So that's the web part of it. Make sure you get that done. Next thing is we have our actual lesson for today. So your lesson 9A, solving proportions, play pause it. Go ahead and click here to get that started, but make sure your screen is ready to go, meaning you have your notes pulled up in OneNote, and I would get them in the app. That way you can write better and use the highlighting features a little bit better. So here's what your notes look like. They are in your OneNote, and they're in the Unit 9 section of OneNote, so make sure you open that up. And then split screen your computer with your notes on one side and your play pause it on the other. That way you can take notes along with me while you're watching this play pause it. Feel free to rewatch the play pause it if you need to as many times as you'd like, and I will just keep the highest of the 2 scores, and I'll throw that into PowerSchool. And then your last thing is we have a pixel art for today, but what I want you to do first is open up this link to Formative, and this link to Formative takes you to this 9A Solving Proportions pixel art practice. You have 10 questions that you're solving. Here are your 10 questions. All the work for them, go over here and show your work. So after you learn how to solve proportions, you have 10 proportions that you're solving. The cross products need to go right here where it says show your work. So show me your cross product, show me your final answer. If you get like x equals 2, you can just put 2 right here in the answer spot. So you're doing that for all 10 of these. Make sure you show all your work, all your cross products, and how you get your answers right here in the show your work section. And then in question 11, this is where you actually take the picture from your pixel art and you attach it in the show your work section. So to get to your pixel art, right here in Canvas, it says show all work informative. Type in your answers to the pixel art Google Sheet that's linked right here. And then once you're done filling in your answers to this Google Sheet, you'll have a pretty picture. Once you've completed that picture, just take a snip of it and add that snip to Formative. So if you click on this link right here, it'll force you to make a copy, and this is what your pixel art looks like. It's the same questions from your Formative, but all the work and everything is right there in Formative. So I would do the 10 questions right here, do them right here in Formative, and then once you have these answers, just take those answers, type them in right here. You'll have a nice little picture over here. Take a snip of that picture. Once you have a snip of that picture, then on Formative, go to number 11, and this is where you include a picture of your completed pixel art. So you just click show your work, and then on the left-hand side, you click this picture icon that kind of looks like a mountain, and then you just upload your picture, and you just find your picture, whether you save it to your pictures or to your desktop, wherever you save it. Just find the picture of your completed pixel art and just add it right here, and you'll be able to see it and make sure that you actually uploaded your snips. There's directions on how to upload it right there on question 11. So that's your homework. You got 10 proportions to solve, and then make sure you type in your answer into this Google Sheet so you get a pretty picture, and that picture is what you add to this show your work section. So if you have any questions either on the play pause it or the lesson, or if you're just confused on anything, make sure you send me a Canvas message. I'm available all day, so just let me know if you've got any questions at all, and I look forward to seeing you at school.